of mine. 'Cause I do when you ask me to be cool about when I was telling you.
That's what you always want to do, right? Yes. To go back to school, and finally now it happens. You know, it's happening. No, clap her, child. No, so she's not to school. Come now, figure out how go on. Don't not clap her. Come on, man. Sure.
And I don't talk things about you on the internet every time, everything else, and that's just it.
Don't know what to break. I saw you in the stay. Are they bed? See some light. What's what? Police and calling for me. Says $20,000 for you from Diane from Rockford.
First was so much buddy.
First that was so much. See, it's
alright guys, I have some SPA to finish as I say, but I don't have anything to do them on, and I was hoping if one of my viewers could send me one, please.
like what, a laptop?
Yes, a laptop.
Oh, so any viewers out there, you know, will definitely willing to enhance Britney Houston, you know.
Yes.
You know, education is key.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A Kino. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me feel. Then I want hear me mother drink sorry.
Can't shot a food, can't shot a work, and him can't shot a clothes.
And him can't run out of bread. Leaders are there so still, you know?
Yeah.
Still there so. Yo, leaders are not. No, not come up, because I'm not step. Jamaica, can manager?
Yeah, man, that's what I want to want for me. I'm here. Yeah, man, the man want to make over, man.
Run out of breath. I saw you in the stay. Are they bed? See some light. What's what?
You have light here?
Yeah, that's what I'm going.
Come on, boy. Yeah, throw it over.
Right there.
Run out. I hear you. You need a bed though. Definitely. You need sheet. Gary, you really sleep on them sheet here? Here. You need a bed though. Out of everything I'm see, you definitely need a bed. You need a like, paint over.
From my left is a paint, you know.
For your mother leave?
When name Beer. See him on the wall, the beer as my dear. Jesus.
Are your mother living here?
Yeah, man, I'm living here with my mother.
But wait, this is from when time you were there from this time there.
Yeah.
So long. But you live in here before me leave Jamaica, right? Yeah.
That's a long.
So Gary, we now
Cassette jar.
you now put the clothes up. You put the clothes up now.
Carry him to one cassette jar, like cassette jar.
Ah, closet. This is waiting there. Let me have a spoon.
File jockey when I did.
Let me have some office drawer.
Film jar then.
And you keep the clothes them? I have to give thanks for your saying again because you see the whole touch strong, you know.
Go see.
And you're trying to flip down. You try to flip up, see how you even do in your situation.
Yeah.
You still try to flip up. You know. And you have a light in it.
Yeah, come up. I'm a screen and boy, man.
But I'm still say you need a bed.
Yeah.
You need a bed, you need a clean over.
No, paper, man. I can't see
You need a sheet. You need a sheet and a bed. And a spread alone. This bed you can't put sheet on this right now. On the bed sink in the middle. You can't sit at one place alone and sleep in the middle. You need sheet, man. I them sheet a long time I dip on the bed though.
I sent by board from last year. The long time up on the list.
And this not come off.
No.
This one come off.
Watch.
Oh, watch out for the TV, the right that's a Kino, we never see it.
That one.
Oh, no good, I just put it up there.
You can't see the TV there now.
No, so put up, you know.
Look, where you look.
Okay.
You must have good fashion. TV a bust up. So TV bust up.
Oh, no,
Gary just go and hold out.
Yeah.
Go and hold out Gary. Because I say, me leave Jamaica how much years.
Yeah.
You know?
While up here.
And the wall no pain from them time till now. And me I tell you about that wall no, I can't say that wall no pain for a good 20 something years. You know? At least I'm telling you 16 and then 6. You know, so that's so long.
Yeah.
You know, 22 years.
This
no pain. That's a long time. Yeah.
Him still come out, him smile.
Smile, say man. Nobody will know.
I know him still a smile.
22 years.
Yeah.
No pain, no cup on yeah. 22 years. And there I was bed and I sleep and when I make a sink and then a sheet and I come off of the bed for the last almost 2 years, year and a life. And the mattress there, a sponge. And it's not a mattress, it's a sponge. So sponge.
Oh, and it's still, what that means, it's sink up.
Yes, Gary, as my can see, it's still need.
Yeah.
And we definitely will get a clean out. We know, but we want to give scanner a clean out first.
Alright.
So, you know, we definitely need to give scanner and also Sam. So, we're going to make it work.
Alright.
You know, we are going to make it work. Because, you know, scanner need to get a clean out. Right, ladies, you know, scanner is there first.
Yeah.
We need scanner to get a clean out. So, we're going to try and see what we can do. You know, Sam see me and now we have Gear see me. So, a dream team with him, so we are going to make it work. But always make it work, right?
Yeah.
Give me the card, right?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, sometimes him just get up and
get the joke and them something they do that. But when him get the joke, him good.
Good, yeah.
That's what I say on the camera, I'm not going to let them watch it right now.
Yeah.
Can't let them know.
Enough time you say that, my boss, but me I tell you, say, you see from we did it here and know, say, when time, so ever I forget the joke, when we can move towards the people, them who come fast, we get it, is it?
Yeah.
That means that everything and all that.
True. Yeah, man. They may outfit them, man. As them say Gary,
Yeah.
I'm saying that's why I'm sure you put them on. Wear them, you see me? I'm saying I'm going to bless you back, so just wear them, just keep fresh, you know, wear them.
Me.
So I'm saying don't worry, I'm going to help you back out with some more, but I'm saying just wear them.
Yes, Kino. Run out of breath for your sister.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, I almost dropped. You need a step.
Yeah, man.
You need a fix over.
Want a makeover.
No, you're up on the list. Come here, you're up on the list. Rain or fall. Oh,
Go! Run out of breath.
no, yes, you turn on.
Yes, but after them, I have to burn up like here that Kino.
Evening.
You know, putting clothes and on the line.
Yes, my friend. What, my friend? Nothing. And see my friend Mommy here. What going on, Mommy?
I'm okay.
All is well. And we have the singer here. And we have, give me the name again. Masika. Oh, not about a mosquito.
Masika.
Which name? Chimena, which name? What's your name?
Masika.
Oh, Masika.
Yes, my brother.
For the next one then. See her here, the problem child. Yeah, we are doing the corner there. She had the trouble, you know. We have Smiley here and we have Mother Teresa. And we're here with the family, the mother and relatives. With the Brittany Houston. She get her name there? Brittany Houston. So she got her new name. You know, so I'm here passing through. So always everything with my friend. How go on, my friend?
My friend.
Tell me now what happened. How is everything? Jimmy and Tap Top Line, okay? And when I'm gone, them up on your case, you know what time it is.
Just keep answering.
Alright. So Bianca, so what's up?
Not really.
Sure, not really? Nothing at all this time, nothing. Give me some update, man.
No school, nothing workout.
Nothing workout. I should get shy out.
Anyway, ministry, you were called about it last week and say she get into a school. Says Central Church, we accept her about Central Church. Don't have any wrong. So they were saying that maybe if she can come with the walker. So if she can go with the walker, then she can go there.
That's ministry.
That ministry say St. Richard's.
Oh, St. Richard's. So Ministry of Education. So Ministry of Education.
So them called we now and tell us say okay then. she get in, then we accept her. But Pembroke Primary, yes. Pembroke Primary will accept her as well because they have the wheelchair access and they have kids there that have that we're going wheelchair and stuff like that, so they will accept her. But she don't want to go to Pembroke. She don't want to go to St. Richard. So St. Richard, she don't know it. And no kids is not there with any wheelchair, so she don't want to go.
She don't want to go away.
Want to go to Pembroke. So I was talking to the teacher and see what best they can do for her. So he said he would give me an update.
Yeah. Well, and that's great. Well, that's great news. Hello, wagwan. When I see the smiley face, that's great news, because that's what you always want to do, right? To go back to school, and finally now it happens. You know, it's happening. No, clap her. Sure, no, so she's not to school. Come on, man. Sure. You know, that's what your mommy been trying her best to get you in school for the longest while. You know, you put her
so finally get an answer. So them say we're supposed to come to Arnold Road to get a shadow for her for September morning. So we have to apply for that.
But I know she have a wheelchair.
Yeah,
so
she get a wheelchair. So
she have a walker?
No, she don't have a walker.
Alright,
so she don't need a walker for start out.
See?
September morning.
And I know I got you know. I imagine we got some workers as well too from Max Mommy, a place of love, you know, brought in some things for who's in need, and there's a worker there where she can definitely get. You know, so we give thanks to a place of love, because you see it come in the right time, you know.
Alright, thank you, place of love. I got a walker for Bianca. Thank you, Max Mommy.
Sure, Max Mommy.
Max Mommy.
So Max is now.
Max Mommy.
Big up Max Mommy.
Thank you.
Yes,
for
Max.
everything you have done for my sister.
Oh, Britain.
God guide you though.
Big up Max Mommy.
Sure. But the big singer in there can't shy, you know. Yeah, Brittany Houston. So you know, say you can't shy. So that is Brittany Houston. So, and we have Smiley Houston over here. Yeah, pure singer. Say yes, Brittany Houston. I'm here today because, you know, someone watch the program, fall in love with your voice,
Jesus.
you know, with the effort. Sure. See there. Why me I tell you? So the
falling with you. Love you. She will take it to her child because she love with the child.
Mommy, how that sound?
This is a good person.
Say.
This is a good person.
Yeah?
Really good person.
Alright, so her name is Diane. So we give thanks to Diane from Mountain View. Where's the donation? I got a donation video for you from Diane from Mountain View. For Brittany Houston, you know, future singer. Well, she's not the future singer, she's already the singer going into the future. Yes. So we'll give thanks to Diane from Mountain View, you know, for this donation for Brittany of $20,000. All this song call it for me. So it's $20,000 for you from Diane from Rockford.
First there was so much money.
First there was so much. See, it's, you have to start from somewhere, right?
Yes. It's so far. Oh God. Thank you. Thank you, Auntie Diana. God bless you. And as I say, first we better owe so much. Oh, feel rich.
Feel rich.
I'm gonna start that music yet, but I feel rich.
Yeah, it's a blessing, it's a start, you know. I will give thanks to Diane.
Yes.
You know, from Rockford, I Mountain View, right? Yeah. So, you know, I will give Diane a round of applause. Go Brittany Houston. Yes. You know, we have a Brittany Houston in the building. You know, I will give thanks. There's only more encouragement, you know, because the talent we have, the talent we have, there's a lot of it. Wow, is she have a song for Diana?
Not really having this song.
But it seems like, so you have to go, draw one.
Yeah, you have to go draw one out
Yeah,
of
draw the book.
the book, you know.
Because there's two things right now you have right now you can do, you know. You already do two of them now, which is you're studying and now you're doing the music. So you have to put your head down, you know. Two of them will take time and dedication. So you know, say if you're really passionate about both of them, you know, say studying is a must because you're gonna need the schooling to further the talent you have. You know, so you have to be aware of that same, you know, so the education. So.
And I have some music SBA to finish. I don't finish, but I have to get to them. Plus, I have to write my own song. So, anyone can give me some tips, some starting of some songs when we can start, right? Yeah, and I will be so grateful for that.
I will leave tips there for you, because right now I can see them and say, yes, I have tips for you, tips from left to right, tips and tips, you know, tips on top of tips. So the world is there, you know, waiting for you to excel. I will give thanks again to Diana again for this donation.
Thanks, Diana.
Yeah. Mommy?
Give us a call, okay?
Alright.
Diana, give us a call, cool?
Thanks, I will give thanks. Brittany, Houston, Bianca, what about my friends? Schooling, what happened? How we are daydream? I wish for you there a while ago. Can you see that we are thinking about school, right? Yeah, no, we are thinking about where.
I'm thinking about school, a good place, so you know, book can get so expensive now. You know, Brittany are going to grade 11, Tremaine are going to grade 6, Brittany going to grade 5.
And my friend over here, so. Going to grade 5. Try a face. See a face for you, Phil. That's should have 1 hour here. Yeah, man, so we'll give thanks, so we'll keep it moving. And Britain, you know, Diane right now, have her ears open. I say, I wonder if Britain going to sing a song for me. You know? I wonder if she will close me off with something.
No, close me off with something. Sing up on the tip of my tongue, but not come right now.
Let's get one out.
Take it out.
And the thing is, the song where you sing what you know this album part that are even cut out. Because you sing the lyrics then so on point and perfect till all the owners them copyright me. You know, because them say they hear them words, you know, because using the lyrics.
Jeez.
Normally when people sing through the clarity, the clarity was there that they literally recognize, you know, and I got a copyright. Just for your voice.
Oh God.
You know?
Don't let me blush too much.
Sure. Blush,
Well,
blush.
let's see.
We present on stage
This one is for Diana.
no other than Brittany Houston doing a song for our friend Diana.
Okay. I'm not doing any just doing Billie Eilish today. And I'm away from you. I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it was true. Give me a day or two to think of something clever, to write myself a letter, to tell me what to do. Do you read my interview, or do you smell my avenue when you say you were passing through without even on your mind? 'Cause I do when you asked me to be cool about when I was telling you. You do the opposite of what you said you do, and I tender more afraid. Don't say it isn't fair. You say you were aware that you make me miserable. So if you really wanna know, when I'm away from you, I'm happier than ever. Wish I could explain it better. I wish it was true.
Jeez. Whitney Houston. Whitney
When I clap,
Houston.
I never finish the song.
Oh no, clap and should have finished the song. The song is so bad it need a clapping long time.
Long time.
You know, long everybody has say pull up. A long time we have say pull up.
I'm gonna sing the next one. You call me again, drunk in the pants, driving home under the influence. You scared me to death, but I'm wasting my breath, 'cause you only listen what's inside your head. 'Cause I don't relate to you, I don't relate to you, no. 'Cause I never treat me this shitty. You make me hate this city. And I don't talk things about you on the internet. Every time, everything else. And that's just embarrassing. You are my everything. Every time that you talk, you make me sad. So don't waste the time I don't have. Don't try to make me feel better, but talk about every time that you say you were mine, and until feelings like you didn't care.
Jeez. Again, no, this is it. Right, Diane.
Yes.
Them voice.
That's for you, Miss Diane.
Them voice. Big up yourself, Diane. Do them voice, you know, voice of an angel. You know, you have the diamond voice, you know.
Yeah.
Sure. So what the manager? Mommy? There's a management?
No, a B.
Oh,
and the
there's a management.
They must say she had the accountant.
Oh, see, there's everything is.
Alright guys, I have some SPA to finish, as I say, but I don't have anything to do them on, and I was hoping if one of my viewers could send me one, please.
For like what, a laptop?
Yes, a laptop.
Oh, so any viewers out there, you know, who definitely willing to enhance Whitney Houston, you know.
Yes.
You know, education is key. So yeah, so it would really highly appreciate it if anyone could have blessed Whitney Houston with a laptop. So we know the number already, it's always running across the screen. You know, we're here to help each other. We always say each one help one and each one teach one. And we have the future here right in front of us, and we have the future around here again. We have pure future here, you know, so these are the future generation. So she need of a laptop, so if anyone there, you know, can contact me or can reach out, make sure she get a laptop so she can continue first. Then so we give thanks, Britain,
Yes.
Houston,
Right.
continue. My friend in school, every time I catch a daydream, you know, focus. My friend over there, give me the name again. Masika. It's not no Masika. No, no call her no Masika. It's
Not Masika, it's Maskita.
Oh Lord God, not kill her with names. Amanda, they are laugh. Amanda. So we said dream team.
One team.
I know it's the only team. Diane, big up yourself. Aldona, big up on yourself. So Britain, we on the lookout for you for a laptop. Right?
Thank you. Thank you.
Bless you. My friend, Amanda.
Thank you.
Continue to do good work. Right? Come in, Mother Teresa, Smiley. My friend. Sure, should have the one side, so.
Watch her now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiro Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch her now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.